Today we are going to talk about a construction loan. Hello, this is David Xie, and I'm with the Xie Mortgage Team, wholesale mortgage lender, Xie Mortgage. One of the biggest problems is, finding a home that you truly want, like with all the bells and whistles, with everything that you kind of want in a home. There are definitely resale homes. There are even, new construction sites that you can go and pick a home from a builder that's already bought the land. And then there are construction and construction of permanent financing loans. And I wanted to talk to you about that because now you can truly build the home that you truly want with all the bells and whistles and everything that is important to you. People do shy away from building homes because they just think that it's a little too complicated. It's a little too complex. However, I'm here to basically put your mind at ease so that you can get the home that you want with a construction loan. There are going to be two ways of doing this construction loan. There's the standard construction financing, which you can typically get separately from a lot of your mom and pop and local banks. However, your longer term mortgage is not resolved during that construction loan. So you're basically having two separate loans. The pros to that is you have full control and time frames of the build. However, the cons kind of outweigh the pros, okay? So you get your construction loan, that's completed, and then you have to, once it's completed or at 90% completion, then you can start looking into the long-term financing loan or the permanent financing of the loan. One of the biggest challenges with doing that is that you're going to have to get your documents 2 times to the lender. You're going to have 2 times the cost, and you have no control of the permanent financing rate. So I'm here specifically to talk to you about the construction of permanent financing. The beauty about the construction of permanent financing is that you are working with the same lender. Like you would work with me. As the lender that handles the construction part and the financing. You're going to do the entire application one time with one person, once again, so you don't have to fill out multiple applications. And you're going to submit all your paperwork to me at one time versus multiple lenders. You're only going to pay for one appraisal fee. So that appraisal is going to appraise the property based on the completed value, all the bells and whistles, everything that you want in the house, all the upgrades, and everything else that comes along with the home buying process on a new construction. One of the biggest things is that you're gonna avoid multiple closing costs. You're not gonna have to pay closing costs 2 times, okay? So don't let your local bank talk you into doing a 2-time close construction when there's 1-time closing available. You're absolutely gonna save time working with one lender throughout the entire process because we do everything up front, we underwrite everything up front, you go through the building process, and then the permanent financing's already kind of in place based on your current situation and your financial guidelines and financial situation. And here's the biggest thing. We are currently in a rising interest rate environment, okay? So you can control that financing and control that long-term financing rate right now. We can lock in on the construction, which is typically interest only based on how much you borrow. And then finally, we can lock in your permanent financing loan. The savings of the money, the lack of work of submitting documents to multiple lenders, and then really just securing that interest rate really makes it that much easier for you to get the one-time construction and financing terms. So if you have any questions or concerns at all, feel free to reach out to me. I'm your guy on this loan. I'm a wholesale lender, and we've got a bunch of different options that we can shop for to make sure that you are getting the best term. And my name is David Xie with the Xie Mortgage Team, and my phone number is 757-478-8493. Please be sure to comment below if you have any questions, or you can just give me a call directly if you have any questions. Once again, that number is 757-478-8493. Like the video, subscribe to our channel because we've got great content, and we'd love to help you out. All right, bye.